Welcome to Excel for Audit. Today we shall see how to format data. Let us see a small example. The data I'm going to create is for invoices details for 5 parties. Let us key in the name, taxable value, tax rate for all the rows. To calculate tax amount, let us key in the formula in cell E9. Copy the formula to rows below. Let us calculate the total amount in cell F9 and copy it below. Now let us see how to use Excel format asTable feature. Copy the data and paste in another sheet. Delete the calculated values. In Excel Home ribbon, select Format asTable and select any one of the format. You can reformat the same as per your requirement. We shall see the same in yet another video. Select My Table as headers, since we have a header row. Type tax rates in tax rate column and copy across rows. Calculate tax amount by keying in the formula in cell E7. You can see the Excel auto-fills the formula in subsequent rows. This is the benefit of formatting asTable. Similarly, type formula in F7 for total amount and Excel auto-fills the subsequent rows. Since we have formatted asTable to insert total, let us select the table and go to ribbon Table Design and select the Total Row checkbox. This adds total to the last column, i.e., total amount. We can use the sum function for any other columns by selecting sum in the respective column drop box in total row of the table.